very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Michael.
I hope we did okay.
Oh, I'm sure we did. Yeah. Nestled in the historic Lakeside neighborhood, 120 Stonecrest emanates timeless beauty and enduring grace. This neighborhood is located in the southwestern part of San Francisco, adjacent to Lake Merced, which is one of the largest natural lakes in California. Hi, Michael. Can you tell us more about the house, the history?
Sure. Welcome to 120 Stonecrest. This house was built in 1941. It's 3,500 square feet on 12,300 square feet of land. And the sellers bought the house in 1964, an immigrant plasterer from Ireland, and he was able to buy this wonderful home for his family. 4 children grew up in this house. They're all adults today. One lives next door. Isn't that amazing?
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And what do you like about the neighborhood? It seems a very quiet, quaint.
Lakeside is divided into 3 small sections, and they were built by the gentleman who built the house next door. His name was Stonestown, and his brother lived up the street. They were also the developers of the Stonestown Mall. The win here is that it's such a walkable neighborhood. We have a Chinese international school right over here, a couple hundred yards away. We have the universities nearby. We've got the mall nearby, a library on the corner down here. So there's so much that this neighborhood has to offer.
And as you roam around the house, you will find some period pieces preserving the home's architectural heritage. These are symbols of the city, reflecting its history and charm. This place provides a peaceful retreat for residents while still being close to the urban amenities of San Francisco. Welcome to your forever home at 120 Stonecrest, where every detail whispers of a lifetime of cherished memories awaiting you. Listing courtesy of Michael Barnacle with Corcoran Icon Properties.